The Isabella floor tile, made of a hard wearing solid black plastic, ideal if you're on a seasonal pitch. 50 centimeters square, nice and easy to set up. Raised off the ground so the water will sit underneath it. You have little slits in it so you can run cables underneath. And as we say, really nice and easy to set up. Literally slot together. Also available, you have front ramps, side ramps and corners. Again, nice and easy to fit. So you can use the ramps all the way around, or you can simply have it at your door area, your main door that you'll be using all the time.